G'day, Alex here from Paperform, and today in this video we'll show you how to generate a direct download link for a file stored in OneDrive. Similar to Google Drive or Dropbox, OneDrive is a cloud storage service that allows you to store and share files online. Now, with a direct download link, you can easily share your file with others. All they need to do is click the link and the file will automatically be downloaded to their device. Now, let me warn you, because with this process, image files simply won't work. And if you are eager to create a direct download link for image files, or you're looking to sell digital products online, I suggest using Google Drive or Dropbox. And I've left in the description of this video a link to each of the videos showing the process of those platforms. However, let's get into this simple process. All right. First things first, open up your OneDrive account and navigate to the file that you'd like to share. Now, usually you would right-click the file and select Share. However, for a direct download link, we'll need to select Embed. So, right-click the file, hit Embed, and this will open up a window on the right side of your screen where you can generate an HTML code. So, generate the code and then copy it. And you'll have something similar to the following. Now, what we need to do is extract a link from this code. And we can find that after the source, just there. So we'll pull that out. Now, all we need to do is replace embed with download. And the link is now ready to share. So simple. Now, if we link some text with this new link and click it, look, our file downloads automatically. However, if you are wanting to generate a direct download link more easily, Paperform actually offers a direct download link generator. Now, all you need to do is, again, copy the embed code. There we go. And then navigate to OneDrive generator.paperform.code. Paste that code into the generator and hit generate. It's that simple. Now, you can collect your direct download link and share it with others, hyperlink text, or I personally created an online store to sell my ebook. Now, I've created a product where I've used my ebook. When a submitter purchases the ebook, they are taken to a success or confirmation page where the direct download link has been hyperlinked here to this button, download now. Well, I hope that's been a helpful video. Let us know in the comments, how do you plan to share your direct download link? And make sure to hit the thumbs up and subscribe to the channel to see more helpful tutorials and videos. Good luck and have fun creating.